Ooh, I can't believe it's my first day at school, and this is the bag I turn up with.
Beep beep, make way! Beep, look out! Oh no, look what I've done to your bag! Sorry!
It's okay. It was my friend, Beast. He tried to wear my bag and, well, this happened.
So, you're new? Well, this is your lucky day. Hop on!
But what about class?
Class can wait! It's a fashion emergency.
Sam, what are we doing here? Shouldn't you be at school?
This is more important. We've got a princess to help.
Hi there.
Why didn't you say that right away? But you're going to school once we finish. We better get started. We've got a lot of work today.
Come on, work. This is just like school.
I know you don't mean that. Anyway, this is more fun. At least I don't give you homework.
Oh, homework. That reminds me. I'll be right back.
Someone forgot about their homework, huh? This will help keep Belle's school supplies secure. I wonder how Sam is doing.
I have no idea what any of this means. Pythagoras' theorem? What? That's all Greek to me.
You know the homework was for English class, right?
What? I'm gonna fail.
Don't give up, Sammy. I believe in you. You can do anything if you really want to.
You're right. Sue, I'm gonna hit the books now.
That's the spirit. Well done, Sammy.
No, that's my unicorn. Find your own.
At least he's enjoying himself. He's so cute when he's sleeping. In the meantime, let's give this bag a little style. I mean, it is for royalty.
Sam is being so nice helping me. Maybe I can help him too.
That's more like it. It's gotta be glamorous, just like Belle. You know, I would love a bag like this. Well, maybe if only it was bigger.
That's all of it. Sam will be surprised.
Huh? My homework! Whoa! Did I complete it in my sleep?
Hey, Belle, strike a pose.
How's this? I hate getting my picture taken.
You're a natural. I just need to print it out now. Your backpack should be personalized, like this.
This is unbelievable, Sue. Check this out.
Oh, you're awake. Did you enjoy your beauty sleep?
Please, Sue. I'm a natural beauty and a genius. Look at this.
Wow, that's really impressive. I never even knew that was possible.
Yay! Don't tell him it was me.
Let's try it on, Belle. I think it'll look great on you.
Hey, where is everyone? Oh, yes, darling. Wonderful and fabulous, but we need more accessories.
That's exactly what I was thinking. And you, sir, can help this time. Belle will probably need a pencil case. So, that's what we'll give her. But where's the zipper? I know it's around here somewhere. What did you say, Sam?
I said,
Very funny. Let's make Belle's pencil case and keep the glitter theme going.
My thoughts exactly. Wow, I look amazing.
Sam, what are you wearing?
I don't know what's happening, Sue, but I'm loving it.
Yay! What? Where's that music coming from?
Belle, you know what time it is? Let's bust a move.
I guess I'll finish the pencil case myself. They're having such a good time. Guys? Hello, don't you want to have a look?
Cha-cha-cha! Oh, yeah! Huh? Oh, all right. Good job, Sue.
Yes, it's perfect. Thank you.
Belle will need a notebook for all her classwork, so let's make her one.
There's no paper in it. Have you ever been to school?
Don't worry, I've got some right here. We need to fold it like this first.
Say no more. You can count on me.
I'm glad you're here to help, finally. Okay, I'm ready for the rest of the paper, Sam. Sammy?
Oopsie. I'm not sure what happened, Sue, but it looks pretty.
Haha, it does! You can give one to Belle. I'm sure she'd love it. We need to make sure Belle's notes are secure. We don't want anyone copying her work.
It's not what it looks like, honestly.
Sam, you know that cheating is wrong.
But it gets results, Sue. Why work hard when you can work smart? Heh.
I'll pretend I didn't hear that. We need to add the finishing touches to the notebook. And voila!
Allow me. This notebook is fit for a princess. Ow!
It really is, Sammy. Great job!
Wow, this is perfect for my schoolwork, but I don't have anything to write with.
That's okay. We can fix that too. Let's make Belle some pencils, but they'll need to be extra special. I've got a great idea for them, and it's so easy.
Oh, this looks fun. I want to help.
There's no way Belle could write with this yet. I'd better make it super sticky. The fun part is coming up.
Things got out of control, Sue. Duh!
Are you okay? Do you need some help?
Just give me a moment. Oh no! Ouch! Duh!
This will make it shine like a star. Are you gonna be all right, Sam?
Never been better, Sue. I am just working here.
I made you a pencil holder too. I think you'll like it. And here are your pencils. Now you can do all your work.
I'll write a magical story. It's called Beauty and the Slime.
Oh, am I the beauty?
Belle has a lot of supplies, but school is supposed to be fun. So let's make her a designer handbag.
I'll design it, Sue. I've always wanted to be part of the French fashion houses.
Go for it, Sam. Maybe you'll be the next big thing. I can't wait to see what you'll create. This will make it easier for Belle to get all her essentials, like her makeup.
No! This won't do. It needs to be perfect.
Don't be too hard on yourself. I'm sure whatever you come up with will be amazing.
Stitch and pull! Stitch and pull! Ugh. I wish I knew how to sew.
I'm sure you can do that.
This might be my greatest creation ever.
The bag is ready. What about your design, Sammy?
It's cute, huh? Perfect for the princess on campus.
Wow! I never knew you had so much talent. Is there anything you can't do?
I don't have any superpowers, but I'm working on it.
We'll need to give Belle some technology, so let's make her a new cell phone.
We should make a case too. I always drop my phone, and Roger's, and yours.
Good idea. You can't be too careful, can you? And you've got to have a camera. Bella will want to post her school life on her socials.
Sometimes a slime needs a treat.
I can use this. That looks great. Belle can call home anytime now.
Can I borrow that? Oops. I'm glad we made the case.
It was fate, Sam. Actually, I have another idea. Here you go, Belle.
Wow, I can call Beast. Oh, I miss him so much. It's so good to see you.
I want to see. Oh, I see why they call you Beast.
Sammy, be nice.
Sorry, I've just never seen a beast before. Nice to meet you, Mr. Sir. Gotta go.
That's better. Sam, can you give these headphones to Belle?
Boop-de-boop, la-la. What did you say, Sue? I can't hear you.
Never mind, I've got it. I think that's everything. Belle is ready for school.
Wow, I can't believe everything that Sam and Sue did for me. I feel so welcome at my new school.
Aha!
Belle, over here.
Oh, hello, Sammy. I was hoping to bump into you.
My bumping days are over. I've been practicing my skateboard skills.
No, I mean, I wanted to say thanks. I have something for you. Beast just had it shipped over.
Wow, that's so kind. Thanks. Sue will love it. Hey, do you want to grab lunch?
Sounds good to me.
Let's go. See you next time, fellas. Bye.